Well, welcome back to the channel. We're back in the Z4. It's been about 3 years since I've done any videos on this thing. Got a few problems. Got ABS lights on, steering angle position sensor lights on, and it's decided since last year to not want to run properly. Great. So here we've got, you see the idle running up and down. ABS, no, it's not ABS, seatbelt, steering position sensor and flat tyres. Now I've had my diagnostic on, and the throttle position sensor stays at about 15%, doesn't move even when I press the gas pedal. I don't know what it is, but I've got a feeling it could be the throttle position sensor in the throttle body. So I'm going to take that out, give it a clean, put it back in, see what it does. This guy down here, let's take him out. Right, so I want to be down here, get him out. Let's have a look. Okay. So there's the throttle body there. Maybe I'll just move them to the side. I don't know what this thing is. Looks like he's got a rubber boot on. Do you know what that is? No idea. Is that it? Contacts look okay. What could be wrong with that? What is that? Interesting. Let's give them a clean, put them back in. Well, that was a waste of time. That didn't do anything. I think the only thing we can do was order a new one. Try that. Maybe it's faulty, I don't know. But it's doing exactly the same thing. Here's the new one. Is it the same? They look the same. Yeah, 55 quid from eBay. Let's put that seal in. The only difference is a different colour seal. One's a genuine BMW, the other one isn't. There's part of it there. Let's put the air filter back on. Now that's really disappointing. Oh, wait. One last thing, I'm going to take off the idle control valve, which I think is this fella down here. Just see if he needs cleaning up. Right, so I've got him off. He rattles about inside now. Before he was stuck. So I've either freed it off or broke it. Done. Right, let's not hold our breath on this one. good. Not one off it. Just came off. Just give it a wash.